Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see if always on display is not working on your Nothing mobile. See here, this is Nothing 4A which I did the unboxing a week ago, and on this mobile this is always on display, right? It is working perfectly fine. Let me unlock the phone. Here, if you feel like this is not working, this is not a bug or a error, it is just a simple setting. I'll tell you. Click on your Android phone settings, right? This is the settings. Usually always on display will be available under display settings. Click on display, scroll to the bottom, and here you will find always on display. Tap on this and always show basic info of lock screen. So in this video I'm not telling about how to customize or how to add items, just fixing if it is not working on your not showing up on your Nothing mobile. See here, there are three options, three radio buttons. Tap to show, always, schedule. If you keep like tap to show, it won't work, means not always it will show. Whenever you tap only it will show. Okay, so instead of that what you can do is, if your option is set to tap to show, click it to schedule, because if you keep it always that will be battery drain, so don't choose this always also. Instead keep schedule. So now the schedule time is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is the basic problem most of the Nothing users are facing. Actually the time now is 9:30 a.m. right? So after 10 this won't work. So now it is perfectly working, right? After 10 a.m. it won't work. This is the case. Many of the users are commenting that Nothing always on display is not working. Instead of end time at 10, you can keep it to 22 like this, so that now you have set the time to night 10 p.m. okay, now this will work perfectly fine. If it is working, please do give a like for this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.